Today I am going to discuss layout of indoor substation, or today we also discuss totally what actually happened in between of indoor substation. Okay, basically in our syllabus two type of substation. One is indoor, okay, one is indoor and another is outdoor substation. Okay, so yesterday or previous video I am also saying you the just above discuss of indoor substation. Today we will see totally enclosed discuss of indoor substation. Okay, basically a plan or a complete layout also have every indoor type of substation. Okay, this plan are or this figure are this type of figure you can see everywhere in a substation. If you visit a indoor type substation, that's mean 33 by 11 kV. Okay, 33 by 11 kV or 66 by 11 kV substation, you can also either see this type of a figure. You cannot see this type of figure, but if you realize the position of this instrument of this substation, that is showing you this type of a figure. That's mean suppose this is a square area. Okay, this is a square area. One portion is blocked for control compartment. That's mean where the control circuit are present. Different type of circuit breaker, MCB, different type of instrument, okay, are present for controlling purpose. That's present is here. Okay, is the control circuit compartment. Okay, this portion is indicating and metering instrument for protective device compartment. This is the control compartment, or in between the substation there are different type of protective device. That means circuit breaker, fuse, this type of or isolator are present. Okay, in between this instrument are protected by this compartment, and it is indicating metering instrument and protective device compartment. Okay, this compartment also with a block for circuit breaker and protective device mechanism purpose. Okay, circuit breaker and etc type of instrument are present in this portion. Okay, and suppose this is the transformer unit. Okay, this is the outside of this is the transformer unit, and here the main bus bar compartment. Main bus compartment, from this unit the service line, the distribution line is divided in various type of areas. Okay, suppose this is some areas, suppose town A, town B, town C, or village A, village B, village C. Okay, this is the main bus bar compartment, and you can see this type of compartment also with the present in a substation. Okay, and this is used for cable sealing boxes and compartment for CTC. Okay, this portion is CTC or cable sealing boxes. Okay, so first of all we also discuss the auxiliary indoor type substation. Okay, so in the substation there are also with the storage battery. If you visit a substation, or I am providing you a basic picture of a substation, a storage battery unit. Okay, in this compartment the controlling unit or indicating a storage battery unit. That means the battery is stored in this substation. Okay, which purpose the battery is used? Okay, 1.2 volt, 1.2 volt, there are several battery, number of 10 or 12 battery are present in a substation. Okay, 1.2 volt. Okay, this battery is used for the operation or control of substation instrument. Substation instrument means here also control compartment use. Okay, the control compartment not in self electrical device. Okay, it cannot produce self electrical, so the electric supply is for it, then the control circuit is operated. Okay, so for this control circuit, a power supply is given to this control circuit. So the storage battery fed this power of this control circuit or others equipment that is used in the substation, different type of instrument or controlling, measuring. Okay, so all supply are given from the storage battery unit. Okay, a storage battery unit are present in a indoor type of substation. Different type of circuit breaker. Okay, circuit breaker and different type of circuit breaker. Emergency light. Okay, emergency light. Suppose the supply is fall down, the power station is shut down or supply is off, then a substation under without supply, so the storage battery give the emergency light supply for this substation. Okay, and different type of operating relay. Okay, relay cannot be operated by without supply, so the storage battery give the supply of relay and circuit breaker and different type of emergency lighting of this substation.